Welcome to Real Channel Automotive, a place to help you understand the world of automotive mobility. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Aesthetically, the Meridian Edition is purposely designed to stand out and provide thoughtful outdoor utility. All new headlight garnish, unique Meridian Edition-branded matte black hood graphic, black wheel locks and lug nuts, and side rocker panels help protect the CX-50 from outside elements while maintaining the vehicle's rugged appeal. Meridian Edition is exclusively offered in Polymetal Grey or Zircon Sand exterior paint, while the interior is only available in the new Terracotta leather with black interior accents. Produced at the Mazda Toyota Manufacturing plant in Huntsville, Alabama, the Mazda CX-50 is a rugged and capable crossover SUV designed to complement the active lifestyles of customers in the North American market. Building off the standard Mazda CX-50 2.5 turbo model and all the features equipped with it, the Meridian Edition package expands the vehicle's capabilities by providing outdoor-focused black metallic 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in 225 60R18 all-terrain Falken tires designed to take on challenging terrain while still feeling at home on the road. Aesthetically, the Meridian Edition is purposely designed to stand out and provide thoughtful outdoor utility. All new headlight garnish, unique Meridian Edition-branded matte black hood graphic, black wheel locks and lug nuts, and side rocker panels help protect the CX-50 from outside elements while maintaining the vehicle's rugged appeal. Meridian Edition is exclusively offered in Polymetal Grey or Zircon Sand exterior paint, while the interior is only available in the new Terracotta leather with black interior accents. All Meridian Edition models are equipped with Mazda's standard iActive all-wheel drive system, Skyactiv G 2.5 liters turbocharged 4-cylinder engine capable of 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque on premium 93-octane fuel, or 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque on regular 87-octane fuel, and a responsive Skyactiv Drive 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift mode. Meridian Edition also comes equipped with Mazda's My Drive that includes normal, sport, off-road, and towing driving modes. In towing mode, when equipped with a Mazda Genuine Accessories tow hitch, it is capable of towing up to 3,500 pounds. First seen during the reveal of the CX-50 last fall, Meridian Edition customers looking for the ultimate piece of adventure equipment can opt for the Apex Package upgrade. The package includes roof-mounted black crossbars, a roof platform, and both front and rear splash guards. The roof platform allows customers to secure even more outdoor equipment or add the available rooftop tent from Mazda's accessories offerings. Available for other CX-50 models and either powertrain offering, Meridian accessories are a dealer-installed option offering outdoor-focused features that will allow customers to choose individual accessories to personalize any CX-50 for their lifestyle. Available Meridian accessories will include roof-mounted black crossbars, roof platform, front and rear splash guards, side rocker garnish, headlamp garnish, and black wheel locks and lug nuts. Also available is a matte black hood graphic with a unique design inspired by the Meridian Edition. Mazda believes in the benefits of being in nature and that all CX-50 customers, from GSL, GT, or new Meridian Edition owners, should take time to experience the outdoors and pursue their passions. From snowboarding to mountain biking or camping to skiing, Mazda has accessories to turn your vehicle into an essential partner for any journey. With the most robust accessories offering of any vehicle in the current Mazda lineup, the CX-50 is ready for all of life's adventures. The 2023 Mazda CX-50 is now available in 5 configurations with the addition of the Meridian Edition and Apex package. Each trim and package provides customers a well-equipped vehicle with an impressive list of standard technology and safety features designed to meet their needs while providing the brand's renowned driving dynamics and enabling drivers to venture further into the outdoors.